Hey Ben, welcome to Taiwan. It's spicy. Wait, what are you eating? What'd you get?
I got a place called Hot Star. I got the large chicken.
Oh my god.
It's a big ass
Put
chicken.
it next to your head. It's
pretty big.
huge.
Let's see it. Pretty cute. We're off.
Then where are we looking?
Okay, CX.
I found it. Gate 44. I would kill for one of these. Kill. Hey Ben, welcome to Taiwan. So we arrived in Taiwan and we were gonna get an Uber out, but it became way too expensive, so we're gonna try to do a bus. They've put us on the main station bus to our hotel, and then we're going to walk or taxi to our hotel depending on how far. So wish us luck. Okay, so we just arrived in Taipei, right? We arrived around 10 o'clock and we had to take a bus. So we got on the bus and it took about an hour. We arrived to our hostel and it's kind of like, what is it called? Sleep box hostel. And you sleep in these
pods. You sleep in a pod. It's really small. It kind of looks like a Star Wars theme of some sort, but it's pretty cool.
We'll show you, but everyone's sleeping, so we didn't want to do that yet. And we've walked out. It's currently like almost 12:30 at night, and we're gonna try and find these night markets that go all night apparently in Taipei. So we'll take some footage of that. It's actually really busy at 12:30.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Huh?
So we're currently walking around these night markets. And we just stopped in to a 7-Eleven to get a drink, but then we found like apple cider, which I can't get in Xi'an, and Ben found his favorite beer, Bush. So we had to get one of those, and we're currently just walking around. Okay, what are you eating? What'd you get?
I got a place called Hot Star. I got the large chicken.
Oh my god.
It's a big ass
Put
chicken.
it next to your head. It's
pretty big.
huge.
I'll get through it, and then I got some squid rings here. Squid rings are pretty, as
yummy.
you'd expect, yeah.
How's the first bite of the chicken?
Spicy.
Spicy?
Real spicy.